In Texas, it was reported that complaints to the CRD, as well as the draft complaints or their contents, had been shared by Lively with multiple media outlets. She even granted one newspaper exclusive access to thousands of pages of text messages and documents, which the outlet reviewed and detailed in a lengthy article published just hours after the draft complaint was filed. Under the headline, "We Can Bury Anyone Inside a Hollywood Smear Machine." Then, on New Year's Eve, the draft complaint, now expanded to a 93-page, 327-paragraph document, was officially filed in the United States Court for the Southern District of New York. However, unlike the CRD and draft complaints, the actual federal complaint did not name Wallace or Street as defendants. Lively was certainly aware of the reason for this omission. There was, and still is, no evidence supporting the statements implicating them. Street, in particular, had no involvement, and the absence of proof likely explains why, just 3 weeks later, Lively initiated a lawsuit in Texas court, seeking to obtain potential evidence of Wallace's alleged involvement. She even hired one of Wallace's former attorneys to lead that lawsuit. In this Texas case, she sued Wallace and Hays County, requesting to depose him. Lively testified under oath before a Texas judge that she needed this discovery to assess potential claims. She also swore that without this evidence, any lawsuit filed against Wallace would be baseless, made in bad faith, or intended for harassment, clearly acknowledging Texas legal standards. Essentially, she went to a Texas court asking for Texas-based evidence from a Texas resident, attempting to support her claims in the CRD and draft complaints, which targeted Wallace and Street, both Texans. She deliberately engaged in legal activity in Texas, paying court filing fees, retaining 3 law firms as legal representatives, and explicitly connecting her Texas lawsuit to the core claims in this federal case, namely, truth, falsity, and fault. Her conscious decision to avoid pursuing the truth during